Hello, hello my fellow weirdos! Today we're making refreshing body spray. This is a great mix to spray on after a workout so you don't smell like you were just in a sweaty gym. To begin, we're going to need a 2-ounce glass spray bottle. In it we're going to drop in 6 drops of doTERRA Lime Essential Oil, 2 drops of doTERRA Lavender Essential Oil, 2 drops of Lemon Essential Oil, and 2 drops of Peppermint Essential Oil. Fill it the rest of the way with water, put the lid on, and shake well. After a workout, just spray yourself to give yourself a nice, refreshing scent. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. I make new videos every week and you don't want to miss out. I'll see you in the next video, and in the meantime, keep being your awesomely weird selves. Bye!